Hey guys, Credit Junkie here. Uh, this is gonna be episode 4 of my dividend investment. Welcome to my channel. So as you can see, the market is slowly coming back up, and for the day I'm up 71. For the week, up almost 700. For overall time, still down $1,192. Uh, but I think this is not the end of it. In terms of going downturn, I think we still have few weeks ahead of us. That's gonna be rough coming up due to the fact the virus. I mean, in the U.S. has more cases than any other country. So in the U.S. is spreading a lot and really fast, and our hospital system is running out of supplies. And but anyway, so as you guys can see, I haven't earned much interest since last video. So I think I made the last video on the 25th. So I got four different companies that paid out their dividends: Home Depot, BP, Bank of America, Lockheed Martin. So, but I still have $6.24 on my cash. I haven't invested those. I'll be looking to get some money in by Wednesday into this account, and hopefully I can reinvest that. And like I said on the last video, I'll be mainly buying utility company, these company right here, uh, all these four, and also bank company. I'll be buying all these banks right here too. So as you guys can see, portfolio hasn't grown much since last video. I mean, last video I believe we were at like 5K, and now a bit down. And the whole virus thing, I give it another month and a half to 2 months. I think we'll start seeing some positive sign, especially like spring's rolling in. I mean, not spring, like the weather is getting hotter and hotter. So hopefully, this warm weather helps out the spread of the virus. And usually when there's warm weather, virus tend to get weaker. But and a lot of people are staying home, social distancing. That also I think has a big role in terms of not spreading the virus fast. Like I'm in Kansas, and the Kansas governor just issued a stay home, so we can only go out for essential stuff, as far as like food, medicine, that's type of stuff. So I think I give it another month and a half, and then we'll start seeing some positive things. And I mean, if you look overall here, like look at this healthcare, I was down almost 50%, like 2 weeks ago, and I'm down to 10% now. Real estate is what I'm still down almost 50% due to the fact real estate is affected by this a lot. So, a lot of people are staying home. They're not paying their rent. So, especially like if you guys look at this company right here, Energy, right? New residential. If I go to the chart, I don't know if I can. Here, I'll look it up here. NRZ. So if you look at just a month, it was trading at almost $16. So, look at this. It's 63% down due to the fact people are not paying the rent. I mean, how they're gonna pay the rent? They can't go to work. So if you're looking to buy stock, if you're looking to buy real estate stock, I mean, look at this. I even bought. So I have another account and with Robinhood, and I buy and sell option in there, and I I bought some option at like 590 or $6 somewhere that, and I sold it at like 630 when the market rebounds the other day, and I made like almost $150 profit. So if you're investing long term, I think I will probably put some money down on new residential this Wednesday when I bring. Looking to bring about $300. So hopefully I buy some more of that. And one company I'm also gonna buy is no, not here. Where is it? I think right here. Costco. I'm gonna buy Costco. Look at my average share price was $301, and now it's at 291. So it went down $9. But I, the reason I would buy Costco, even though it didn't go down that much, there's a reason it didn't go down. They're selling a lot. Like if you, I don't know if you ever been to a Costco like recent time, but it's jam packed and they're selling out faster than they can refill their stuff. So and Costco, I don't see Costco getting into any trouble, especially like when every other company, almost every other company went down by like 30, 40, 50%. Costco went down by what? Let's see. I don't know the math on top of my head. Alright, so if you look at the month, it was trading at 320 on March 4th, 9%. So not much. Not much in terms of the big picture. So I think Costco is really good buy at this point, even though it didn't go down because, again, I don't see Costco struggling. So I don't, as you can see, I only have like $89 in there, and I'm gonna try to make it at least one share, maybe within the next month or so. But I think Costco is a really good buy. Also Disney. I mean Disney is they're affected by this a lot. Other than their online content, I mean they're pretty much staying home. Everybody's staying home. Nobody going to the park or anything. My average cost was what 146. Average share price is 129, and I mean look at that. It's at $100. So it went down what? So it's if I divide it by 25%. I don't know. I suck at math, guys. I'm sorry. This dog. It's down about 16%. So that's again like Disney didn't go down much as like airline company. The reason being they still have some revenue coming in from their online content, but I think it's a really good buy. And what else? What else I want to talk about? Oh, there's one strategy I saw, Joseph Carlson using is he's selling his bonds to buy more shares. So I mean, I'm only down like 3% on bonds. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. You know, I I own the bonds for a reason, and that reason is for like rainy day. So like if I mean I have some money saved up, but if I really need to take out money, like I need the money, then I'll probably sell these because as you can see, bonds didn't go down as much as I mean these two they're not bonds, but I own them because I put them in bonds package because they're index fund and they're not affected by it either, right? Except this one, Vanguard high dividend one, that one's. But if you total market index fund, it didn't go down much either. So I think that'll be it. I'll be closing down the video right here, guys. If you like my video and you wanna see, you know, how this portfolio grow over time, please subscribe to my channel and put a like to this video so more people can see it. So I already got 27 subscribers, and thank you to all the new subscribers that subscribed and people commenting, getting a few comments here and there. But if you guys want to spread this around, for the little guys, you can invest $100 a month, and you still be investing. You're not allowed the money. So if you guys want to share with other people, please do so. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video.